And here we go. Invest 90L. It is over land near Mobile Bay, Pensacola, so the chance of development, tropical development, is not expected. However, it's doing its work, bringing copious amounts of tropical moisture into our area, and even the risk for some severe thunderstorms, including the potential for tornadoes right here in southwest Georgia. Let's talk about the forecast. The rain is going to come in early this morning, so right around 7, 8 o'clock, that's when our thunderstorm chance will actually peak. Temperatures will continue to be very muggy even as the rains move in. That's a tropical air mass. And then we'll see temperatures get into the low 80s, kind of more hit and miss showers and storms. Once we get past the noontime hour across our area, we'll top off in the mid 80s. So there's that line of thunderstorms already moving into our western communities this early hour, 4:45 here as we record this. You can see they'll be moving across the Flint River right around 7 to 8 o'clock. So that's going to be our best chance of picking up on some heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and even an isolated tornado threat towards Highway 319 from 8 to 9 o'clock, and then continue to press from Highway 319 to the I-75 corridor from about 11 to 1 o'clock. And you can see that the thunderstorms will still fester through the midday hours and then start to eject eastward. We cannot rule out some showers and storms redeveloping later on this afternoon and especially this evening as well. So there is a marginal risk for severe storms until 5 p.m. today, 5% chance of damaging winds, 2% chance of an isolated tornado. These are the tropical tornadoes, EF0, EF1, quick spin-ups, very hard to pick up on radar, and rain wrap too. So heavy rainfall potential, flash flooding. This is for the western half of our area, mainly along the Flint River westward. That's a 5% chance for that to occur. Scattered showers and storms remain this evening. Have your umbrella with you, 83 to 74. The rain chances drop off after midnight to 20% and 70 degrees. Let's look at the wide scope here. There's a low pressure, and we're in the warm and juicy side of this system. You can see the showers and storms trying to redevelop around 6 o'clock. And then continuing tomorrow, we'll be watching more thunderstorms off to our west. But dry period tomorrow morning. We are kind of relying on the sea breeze fronts to bring the showers and storms tomorrow. We'll go with a 50-50 chance of rain. Here comes another frontal system here. This cold front actually will be pressing eastward, and that's going to enhance our rain chances to end the week. We may see a few showers and storms trying to move into the western communities by Wednesday afternoon. This complex will kind of mostly move north and not east. It won't be until Thursday that we'll get back into really good rain chances across our area. 50-50 on the rain chance, 70 to 90 on Tuesday, 30% chance of a shower storm, 70 to 91 on Wednesday, 80% chance showers and storms. So here we go again. Big time rains possibly coming into our area, 71 to 83, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms on our Friday. It is a busy Monday morning. We've got tropics, we've got severe threat. We'll break it all down on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.